Hi guys, it is Ninja KNZ, and today I'm going to show you guys me feeding my budgies. Now, feeding budgies might sound easy, but some parts are pretty hard. So let's do it. Okay, now I'll show you now we'll go to the budgies. Here they are. There's my one, there's Ghani's one. So the water needs changing every day, which I'll do. Okay, so I just lift this up and take it out. Oh, look how gross it is. See, they need it changed every day. It's pretty hard to show you because I don't want to tip it out. So we have to clean this and put new water in it. Okay, so we'll take this part off. Clean it. Rubbing brush. Here's this part done. Then we have to tip out this water and clean this part. Okay, so I'm finished. Now I have to fill it up with good with the fresh water right here. So yeah, hey, how did that get in there? The top lid went in there. Okay, so we get this, we fill it up. So the water needs changing every day. I don't know, I think I've probably already said that, but anyway. So here's the water, oh, sun just fell out, but anyway. Then you put this back in, put this back on, and then put it back in the cage. Okay, so now we put it back in. This is where they hold on to and then drink out. They go into this part. So we put it in like this. Like that. And now for the food. So for this one, you sometimes have to change it and sometimes not. I think I'll change it today. So see this? It looks like it's not been eating, but this is all shells. So we stir it around to see if there's any left. And if there isn't any left and it's just all shells, then you tip all the shells out and then get new ones. I'm going to see if I can find... No, that's all shells. I've ate it all. Okay, so I got to get the food. I'll get right now, I'll be back. Okay, so before we fill out with new ones, we have to tip it out. So I'm going to tip it out.
Oh, I know.
Okay, so I poured it all out and I also cleaned it. And I dried it again, so now I have to pour it in. I have to pour the new stuff in. See, this is not shells. And this is a shell.
Dude, that's crazy.
really easy to spill it. One time my mum dropped this and spilled it. Sorry, it's taking a while. It's not that is as big of a hole. Okay, now it's finished. So, as you can see, I've just done it. And now I have to put it back in. So I'll put it back in. So you guys can see, and then, hey, my ninja cat here. So put it back in, and then see that? Well, this needs to be changed every 2 days. And it's been 2 days ever since I did it. So, okay, so I've got this out. And this is it's the food. This food goes in the fridge. We need a spoon to put this stuff into here. First I gotta empty this. Okay, so now I emptied it. I have to open this. Get
this one here
lots of it and pour it in. Then I've done that part. Okay, so now all the water that was in here I pour out. Because we don't want that water. Then we want new refreshed water. Then we pour the new refreshed water, not all of it out, but a little bit of it. And then that's this one done. Okay, now that it's done, I put it back in. And this one's Liza. My one's name is Liza. My sister's name is Coconut. And then I have and then we have my cat. She's a CDA. I put her in my profile picture. So that is how I feed my birds. So that is how I feed my birds. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please put a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and put a comment down below what you want me to show you, or competitions or anything like that. So yeah, Ninja Cat NZ over and out.